I know how frustrating it can be to search for the right mobility scooter that fits your needs. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your money. Whether you're looking for something for everyday errands or a reliable travel companion, I've got you covered. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that promise comfort, durability, and the mobility you deserve. Product number 1: Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter Blue Sapphire. I recently got my hands on the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter in Blue Sapphire, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The first thing that struck me was its sturdy design and vibrant color. As someone who enjoys both indoor and outdoor mobility, I was excited to see how it performed on various terrains. The easy grip, flat-free tires are perfect for maneuvering both smoothly across my living room floor and navigating the slightly uneven paths in my neighborhood park. The scooter can support up to 265 pounds, and I felt secure even when I loaded it with my shopping bags. The top speed of 3.7 mph and a range of 12.4 miles per charge made it ideal for my errands. A quick trip to the grocery store or a leisurely ride in the park was no problem. The seat is one of the most comfortable I've experienced. It's spacious at 15.75 inches and has a gentle cushion that feels just right, especially during longer rides. The swivel feature is fantastic, allowing me to step off without twisting my back awkwardly. I also appreciated the adjustable armrests. They flip upward, making it easy to get on and off the scooter. Transporting the Vive scooter is a breeze. It disassembles into 4 lightweight pieces. I could fit it into the trunk of my car without any hassle, which is a huge plus for someone who enjoys spontaneous road trips. The control panel is intuitive, allowing me to switch speeds or reverse with ease, and the battery life indicator keeps me informed. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter is incredibly stable and well-designed, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The comfort level is high with adjustable seating and armrests, and its portability makes it user-friendly, especially for those who travel. On the downside, while the weight of 88 pounds is manageable, it might be heavy for some users to lift the individual components. Additionally, the maximum speed could be a bit low for those looking for quicker transportation. So why should you buy the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter? If you're after a reliable, comfortable, and user-friendly scooter that blends safety and ease of use, this is the one to consider. Plus, it comes with a 5-year guarantee, showcasing the brand's commitment to quality. Trust me, investing in this scooter will provide you with the freedom to explore the world around you without worries. Product number 2: Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter Ruby Red. I had the opportunity to experience the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter in Ruby Red, and I was immediately impressed with its design and performance. Like its Blue Sapphire counterpart, this scooter excels in stability and maneuverability. With a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds, I felt secure as I navigated through both smooth indoor surfaces and rough outdoor terrain. The 3.7 mph speed and a driving distance of 12.4 miles per charge made it an excellent choice for daily errands. The seating on this model is spacious and cushioned, providing ample support during longer rides. The swivel function was particularly useful, allowing me to get on and off with minimal strain on my back. I found the adjustable armrests to be a thoughtful addition, as they provide flexibility based on individual comfort needs. Portability is a key feature of the Vive scooter. It disassembles into 4 easy-to-manage sections. I was able to load it into my car effortlessly, which is essential for anyone who enjoys traveling. The control panel is straightforward, allowing for easy adjustments to speed and direction. The battery life indicator is a nice touch that keeps you informed about your remaining charge. On the pro side, the Ruby Red scooter offers the same robust performance and comfort as the Blue Sapphire version. It's designed for both safety and ease of use, making it perfect for seniors or anyone needing extra assistance. However, like the previous model, its weight might be a concern for some when lifting or assembling. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable mobility scooter that combines style, comfort, and functionality, the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter in Ruby Red is an excellent choice. With a 5-year guarantee, you can purchase it with confidence, knowing you're getting a quality product that prioritizes your mobility needs. Product number 3: MBX Scooter 4 Wheels Mobility Scooter. The MBX Scooter 4 Wheels Mobility Scooter is a standout in the mobility market, especially for those of us who need a bit more power and versatility. This scooter boasts a robust 350W motor that easily handles slopes and tough terrains, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. I was impressed by its powerful performance. It can reach speeds of up to 7 mph and travel a distance of 15 miles on a single charge. That's a level of functionality that is hard to beat. Safety features are paramount, and this scooter doesn't fall short. It comes equipped with bright taillights and an anti-collision bar, ensuring that I felt secure while riding, especially at night. The rear anti-tip wheels are an excellent addition for added stability. Comfort is another strong point. The seat is both spacious and adjustable, accommodating a wide range of body types. With a seat width of 23.5 inches, it felt roomy, and the swivel seat made boarding and exiting easy. Additionally, the dual baskets were a practical touch, providing ample storage for my personal belongings or groceries. Transporting the MBX scooter is straightforward. It disassembles into 4 parts, making it easy to store or load into a vehicle. I found that it weighed just 97 pounds, which is manageable for most users. The controls are intuitive, allowing for smooth navigation and the ability to adjust speed settings with a simple knob. However, there are a couple of downsides. The scooter's weight might be a bit on the heavier side for some, and while the speed is impressive, it might be too fast for those who prefer a more leisurely pace. Ultimately, if you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and safe mobility scooter that can tackle various terrains, the MBX Scooter 4 Wheels Mobility Scooter is a fantastic investment. It's designed with user convenience in mind and comes packed with features that enhance the overall experience. Product number 4, Aetedor Lightweight Folding Mobility Scooter. The Aetedor Lightweight Folding Mobility Scooter is an absolute gem, especially for those who prioritize travel and portability. Weighing just 42 pounds, this scooter is incredibly lightweight, making it TSA-friendly and perfect for air travel. I recently took it on a trip, and being able to fold it in just 3 steps without needing to disassemble it was a huge time saver. Equipped with 2 lithium batteries, this scooter can travel up to 22 miles on a single charge. I appreciated the confidence this gave me for longer outings, knowing I wouldn't be stranded. The battery design allows for easy detachment, and the secondary battery serves as a backup. The powerful 270W motor provides a smooth ride with adjustable speeds up to 4.97 mph. The 4-wheel configuration adds stability, and I felt secure even on uneven surfaces. The control panel is user-friendly, displaying essential information like battery life and speed settings. The added features such as the waterproof storage basket and customized underseat compartment are fantastic for carrying essentials. I also enjoyed the comfort of the wider, cushioned seat, which made longer rides pleasant. Additionally, the manual electric switching handle requires a learning curve for some, particularly for those unaccustomed to such features. In summary, the Aetedor Lightweight Folding Mobility Scooter is an outstanding choice for anyone looking for a portable, reliable, and comfortable scooter. It's perfect for travel, whether by car or plane, and offers the mobility freedom we all deserve. Product number 5, Efficentline M2 Mobility Scooter. I had the pleasure of testing the Efficentline M2 Mobility Scooter, and I was genuinely impressed by its performance and design. This scooter can go up to 25 miles on a single charge, which is fantastic for daily errands or leisurely outings. The 260W brushless motor offers smooth and quiet power, allowing me to navigate through busy areas without any fuss. It's designed with seniors in mind, providing stability and comfort during each ride. The electromagnetic brake system is responsive, ensuring safety, while the LED headlights enhance visibility in low-light conditions. I felt secure knowing that I had those safety features at my disposal. What truly stands out is the scooter's heavy-duty capacity. The portable and foldable design allows it to disassemble in minutes, making it perfect for travel or storage. The added USB charging port is a clever touch, allowing me to keep my devices powered while on the go. The detachable basket is practical for carrying groceries or personal items, and the ventilated seat ensured I remained comfortable during longer rides. On the downside, while the Efficentline M2 offers fantastic range and comfort, its weight of 87 pounds might be cumbersome for some users. Additionally, the foldable design could be more intuitive for those unfamiliar with mobility scooters. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a powerful, stable, and user-friendly mobility scooter, the Efficentline M2 is a great choice. It combines performance with comfort and offers a range that's hard to beat. Trust me, you won't regret investing in this scooter for your mobility needs. After testing these top 5 mobility scooters, I can confidently recommend them based on their unique features and performance. Each offers something different, whether it's the portability of the Aetedor or the powerful range of the Efficentline M2. Choose the one that best fits your needs and enjoy the newfound freedom and confidence that comes with a reliable mobility scooter. Your journey awaits.